Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Kristen and today I am sharing a bedroom and bathroom clean with me. I wanted to give you guys tons of motivation to clean your bedroom and your bathroom. I am so excited to be collabing with Jessica from Really Jess for today's video. She is a YouTube mama who does cleaning, organizing, decorating, and lifestyle videos over on her channel, and you guys will absolutely love her. She is just so sweet and so kind, and she has some amazing content.
No, there ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. So lucky to be.
Whenever I'm cleaning my room, I like to start by opening the blinds. I just feel like it feels so much more open and clean when you're letting in some natural daylight. And then I like to go ahead and start making the bed because it instantly makes the room feel cleaner. Our comforter had started to slide down in our duvet cover and it was getting bunched at the bottom, so I wanted to go ahead and pull it off of the bed and give it a quick little shake. That way it's not bunched up at the bottom anymore.
I've tried, written down the words to say, it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out.
Our dresser had gathered a few items that did not belong there, so I'm just going to go ahead and gather all of that up and put it away.
I'm going all the way. Touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do.
Moving on into the bathroom, I'm going to start by gathering all of the laundry. That way I can go ahead and get it started in the washing machine before I move on to cleaning the rest of the bathroom.
Because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm all confused.
As you saw in the beginning of the video, our shower doors had gotten pretty dirty, so I'm just going to go ahead and spray those down with the Scrubbing Bubbles Mega Shower Foamer and let that sit for a few minutes before I scrub everything down.
The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling.
If you guys are coming over from Jessica's channel, hi and welcome. My name is Kristen and I am so excited to have you here. I share a ton of cleaning, organizing, decorating, and lifestyle videos here on my channel, and I would love to have you join this amazing community here and see what exciting videos I have coming up very soon.
It all just goes away. the things I plan to say. Oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on.
Now that the shower cleaner has had a few minutes to sit and do its job, I'm just going to take the Scotch Brite shower scrubber and go ahead and scrub down the shower doors and walls. I love this thing because it has a little abrasive head on it, but the handle makes it so convenient to clean the shower.
What I am trying to do, what I am trying to do is say I love you. Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine.
When you are done watching this video, be sure to head over to Jessica's channel to get even more cleaning motivation. You will seriously love her and her videos. She always gives me so much motivation to clean, and also let her know that I sent you.
He knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that you got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation, but what about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah, yeah. Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat.
Now that I finally have the shower clean, I'm going to move on to the vanity, and as you can see, it was particularly messy this day. I try to clean up as I go, but I did not have time to do that on this particular day, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab everything and quickly put it away before I move on to wiping everything down.
Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, in my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure.
going to be using that same spray that I used in the shower to clean the sinks. And then for the countertops, I'm going to be using a Lysol disinfecting spray and my e-cloth.
Won't you be mine? With you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. 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 You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. Words all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious.
To clean the toilet, I am just going to be using my Clorox toilet wand and some disinfecting wipes. This is easily one of my least favorite chores, but it has to be done, and using these two products does make it a little bit easier.
Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get you.
The last thing I needed to do was just go ahead and vacuum the bathroom and the bedroom.
The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get you.
I've been dreaming so much lately.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and that it gave you a ton of cleaning motivation to tackle your master bedroom and bathroom. If you are needing even more motivation, be sure to check out Jessica's video. I will have it linked in the description below, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.
Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know how I do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my